Buongiorno everybody from Cervia, Sicily. Another exciting aspect of our project on the Piccolo Casa is the olive trees are being trimmed. And you can see these were already done. And I'm going to swing around here and you can see the man working in the trees. That's a lot of work, but these will all be burned. These limbs will be burned and clear the property a little more.